Alright guys, one thing to note on these, the O2 sensor on the O2s come in from the top and the wiring comes in from the top. That's why I had to lengthen the other one on the O2 when I swapped everything over. But I used the exhaust off of the 98 because it had all the converters on it, and I used the O2 that didn't have nothing on it on this 98, and I had to come in with a harness from the bottom, which made it kind of tight, you know, from the exhaust on the wiring. But this one connected, and this one over here connected also to the O2 sensor. Hope I don't have a problem with heat issues, but the other one I had to lengthen because the O2 sensors came into the bottom of the pipe, like down here, and it wasn't long enough where the wiring harness come from the O2. It came from over the top of the transmission, way up in there and down, and it wasn't long enough to reach it. So this one was long enough, but it's tight. But if you're doing a swap like this, you'll want to use the 98's exhaust pipes, which most of you probably will. The reason I swapped them out is because this one I've got to get mufflers for. I won't be able to see it, but yeah, there's no mufflers right now, so we'll probably have to put some of them in before it runs right. We'll see. It's going to be horribly loud, I'm sure, but just to get it running and see what it sounds like, we're going to leave it like that for right now. We'll come back, see what it sounds like, see if it throws any codes or anything. But we're pretty much almost done here. I had to put a seal on the transmission dipstick, and of course I put one on it when I put the motor in because I knew it was leaking, and it wasn't the right one. So after I put a cord in there, I noticed it was dripping again, so I had to put it back up, take that horrid upper bell housing bolt out. It's one of the worst ones in there, and of course they make it hold the dipstick. So I've got a seal, it's in there and it's sealed up now. I've got to go get some more training fluid. Alright, before we started anyway. Soon, it's done, it's in there, it's tight. I pretty much got all of it hooked up, wired up. It's ready to start except for this. And I'll come back and fire it off. Guys, here goes. First start up on this car. See if the battery comes up. Oh yeah, straight pipes. Wire, so it's got a little bit of definitely got a miss. Alright, let me go through it, see if I got a plug wire crossed. I didn't mark nothing when I did it, so I may have a crossed one. We'll see. It fired up. And it's loud. We'll come back when it runs better. Well, I had number 5 and number 6 crossed, so let's see how much better it runs. Much better, but too loud. runs much better, but then mufflers gotta go, or no mufflers gotta come. That's noisy. Yeah. I don't like that sound. All right, we'll come back after we get some mufflers on it. Ah.